Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes inaccessible boot device blue screen error. Boot with Windows 10 bootable CD. Click Next, click Repair your computer. Click Troubleshoot, click Command Prompt. Type disk part. Type list space, disk. Type select space, disk 0. Type list space, volume. Type select space, volume space, system volume number. Type list space, volume. Format fs equals sign ntfs space, quick. Type assign space, letter equal sign s. Type list space, volume. Type exit. Type escalan. Type bcd boot space, dcalan / windows space, /s space, escalan space, /f space, all. Type bootrec space, /fixboot. Type bootrec space, /fixmbr. Exit and start Windows. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.